back to my channel, and today is a speaking room with my bathroom. This is just my bathroom. So what I'm going to do is start on the glass first. This is just glass that I need to clean, and what I am going to use is the As Clear as Day window cleaner. This is window cleaner, but you can use it on glass as well. So I'm just going to spray it on. I love using glass or window cleaner for this because it just makes it very, very clean. So I'm just going to now just scrub it all, you know. And it just looks so nice and clean now. I just love it. It's just so clean, like it is crystal clear. I just love it. Now the pink stuff, I'm just going to use it on my toilet and on my sink. My sink is kind of dirty, and so is my toilet. But once we clean it, it will be sparkling. Other stuff in here. This is the Flora. It is Midnight Blossom. Blooms? No, Midnight Blooms. Apparently this smells like alien. I've never tried alien perfume. Never in my whole life. But apparently this smells like it. And if it smells like this, oh my god. If alien perfume smells like this, I will need to buy some alien perfume. I'm just gonna get one capful. Actually I'm gonna do 2 capfuls. Just because I want it to be nice and strong. And I can put this in. Now this would do the bath, the rest of the sink and the walls. blooms. Don't get it. I got mine at Co-op. Some people get those at Poundland or B&M. Don't get it. It smells gorgeous. Now I'm just going to get the rest of the walls and make them smell so good as well. Just a quick deep clean, you know, just quick. And it's simple and it's good. So floor on the doors, on the walls, everywhere. It will smell like, it smells so good. If this is what alien perfume smells like, I need to buy some stat because it smells so gorgeous. So yeah, hopefully you do enjoy this little speed clean. Sorry it's quick, but as I said, it's just a speed clean, a quick one doing. If you're doing this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!